Hello, friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life Scrapbooking and Card Making. Thank you for joining me. Hi! So, I was working on some greeting cards that I'm fixing to donate, and this is just part of them. And so, I thought that I would go ahead and make a card making process video for you, just to keep you entertained, I suppose. But anyhow, the cards that I'm going to share with you are the following: simple, easy, very easy to make cards. And of course, I did have to cut some card bases for me because I ran out of blank cards. Here is another one, and I'm going to share with you real quick what I've used to make these cards. Now, these are your standard A2 size cards, which I believe are 5.5 by 4.25. Alrighty, and some of the elements that I'm using in these cards are from the Spellbinders Card Kit of the Month, September 2019. It is this one, and it's still available, so I'm going to go ahead and link you to that in the description area below. Plus, I'm also going to link you to the Spellbinders Summer Clearance Sale that they have right now, and I'll link you to other summer clearance crafty sales that there are. And so what I wanted to share with you is this part in particular. I just love the way these come out, and these were done with the Spellbinders Flower Garden Cut and Emboss One Pass. It's an embossing die cutting folder. I guess that's how you would call it. And this is just one of the styles, and I do believe that this style is still available on the website. I'll do my best to locate it and link it for you right down below. And I made a shaker card using the Sizzix shaker domes, the circle shaker domes, and this is it's 8 domes. It is a 2-inch dome, and here, let me show you the stock number. There you go. And I will go ahead and link you to these in the description area below. And I do believe that Sizzix is also running a major summer clearance markdown sale. So anywho, yeah, I do also have some very good news to share, and I shared this on Facebook earlier today. And well, it's kind of like a long story, but I'm going to give you the short version of it. And I know that the short version is not going to make sense because y'all didn't know about this. Some of you did, but not everybody. Okay. My physical therapist has noticed this morning that my hips are finally aligned. That is a huge deal for me because sitting down and standing and walking was very torturous for me. And now, with the help of physical therapy, with the help of my surgery, with the help of this special belt that I have to wear, and in the past I've had to wear a brace back as well, things are finally coming into place. I'm still feeling the pins and needles sensations in my feet, but it's no longer painful. It is being managed with physical therapy, and it is being managed with my medication. But yeah, things are looking up, and I thank you all so much for your support, and keep watching. I'm going to continue to crank out as many projects for you as I possibly can. Crafting is my special therapy. I love crafting, and when I started this to me, this is something that is my passion, and I can never undo. I can never not craft anymore because this is my escape from reality. This is my passion. This is my haven, and it's my happy place. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video, and I will talk to you all real soon again.